Never play the clown. Many people are tempted to seek the approval of others by doing crazy things like drinking alcohol. That's why they've never been respected. Being respected is one thing, but commanding respect is entirely different. You should aim to command respect from the moment you walk into a room, because, as the saying goes, first impressions are lasting impressions. If you don't command respect, you are living below your potential. Step up, be assertive and confident, ask for promotions, and change your life. This doesn't mean adopting a proud or alpha male persona. Commanding respect simply means being treated in such a way that everyone speaks highly of you. So, how do you command respect from people? We'll discuss that shortly. But first, understand there are several reasons why some men aren't respected as they deserve. Some men make everything about themselves, believing this will earn them more respect. In reality, it makes them seem narcissistic. It's almost impossible to respect someone who behaves this way, whether during conversations or other interactions. On the other hand, some men aren't respected because they don't open up to anyone at all. You might be the smartest person in the world, but if you don't demonstrate it, others won't recognize it. Having expertise or accomplishments is great, and while you shouldn't talk about them excessively, you shouldn't avoid discussing them entirely either. This can make people think you're shy, and they won't respect you as much. It's important not to live at either extreme. Pay attention to your posture when you enter a room or talk to someone. Simple body gestures can make people dislike you, leading to a lack of respect. Standing with a slumped posture shows a lack of energy and confidence, which are crucial for earning respect. You may notice that some men look around too much while talking to someone. This shows a desire to escape the conversation and is a very uncharismatic act. You don't need to maintain constant eye contact, but avoid looking around the room as it signals disinterest in the conversation. Ignoring someone directly is disrespectful. The same concept applies to your daily habits. For example, some men talk too fast without realizing it. Speaking quickly can impact whether people respect and trust you. It indicates nervousness and a lack of confidence. Human nature is quick to judge, and people will easily discern if you're nervous or confident. Imagine buying a car from two different sellers. One explains the car's history calmly and confidently, while the other speaks quickly, seeming nervous and unsure. Most would buy from the confident seller, even if he's secretly a con artist. We can't read minds, but we can read behavior. Even if you're smart and valuable, people will judge you based on your behavior. Avoid making rookie mistakes that cause people to lose respect for you. Now let's discuss 7 ways to command respect from people. 1. Respect yourself. Everyone seeks respect from those they care about. But ask yourself, do you even respect yourself? Many people underestimate their role in society and their contributions to their family, business, or community. They criticize and blame themselves, surround themselves with negative influences, and lack self-respect. If you don't respect yourself, why would others respect you? It's simple. People observe how you treat yourself and use that as a cue for how to treat you. The first person who should be your best friend is the one in the mirror. Act with dignity, hold your head high, and recognize your value and worth. Focusing on your setbacks and the negatives in life will cause others to treat you in the same way. 2. Be worthy of respect. Respect must be earned. It cannot be demanded. Commanding respect doesn't involve insisting on or pleading for it. People will respect you willingly if you command respect naturally. Demanding respect makes others feel pressured or manipulated, potentially causing them to think you're using your position to force respect. Commanding respect means carrying yourself with confidence and a certain aura that naturally attracts others. This is what differentiates a leader from a boss. A leader is respected, while a boss is feared. Understand this distinction. People will respect you if you back up your words with actions and take on challenging tasks. Putting yourself in difficult situations and confronting your fears builds genuine confidence, which cannot be faked, but must be earned. 3. Be decisive. Indecisive men are often overlooked and undervalued. If you can't make decisions, it suggests you can't handle being in charge, which is detrimental to your self-respect. True men know what they want and have a plan to achieve it. 4. Be humble. As mentioned earlier, acting like a bully will not earn you respect. Trying to appear tough or like an alpha male will not only cause you to lose respect, but may also make people dislike you. The only genuine way to command respect is through compassion. Many men mistake kindness for weakness, but the truth is quite the opposite. Being humble will help you gain the respect you deserve. 5. Be a hard worker. A wise man once said, "Put in the hard work, especially when you don't feel like it." To command respect, you need to be hardworking, productive, and disciplined. The world is full of people looking for the easy way out, unwilling to do what it takes to complete a job. It's not just about working hard. You must also be disciplined to be seen as credible and deserving of respect. Whatever role you play, whether as a husband, student, or family member, always be productive and contribute value. This will make it easier to command respect. 6. Communicate your expectations. People cannot read your mind. They won't guess your goals or capabilities. It's up to you to communicate this, either verbally or non-verbally. As you interact with others, carry yourself with confidence and ensure your manners align with how you want to be treated. Misunderstandings can jeopardize your expectations, which is why they say, nice guys finish last, because they often don't communicate their true expectations and get stuck in a loop. 7. Remove people who don't respect you. Accepting the hard truth is essential. Some people will never meet your standards, either because they can't or because they choose not to. They won't respect you as you deserve. You can follow all the advice given, yet some people, be they friends, co-workers, or colleague, will still treat you poorly. Here, adopting a stoic mindset is crucial. While you can't control their actions, you can control your reactions. You need to be strong and remove such people from your life. Learn to move on. Remember, you are never a victim unless you choose to be. If you allow people to mistreat you, you are to blame. This doesn't apply to every situation, but focus on taking control of your circumstances. So brothers, commanding respect starts with you. Learn to command respect from yourself first. Every time you look in the mirror, be proud of the man looking back at you. For more insights and tips on self-improvement, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for our next video.